Yo, how's it going YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I want to be showing you how to convert a MKV file to a MP4 file.
I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. I saw no shadow, I looked around.
And it's actually fairly easy. I just downloaded or rendered something on Panzoid, an intro and outro, and it turned out you can only render it in an MKV, so I thought I might as well make a tutorial on it. First thing you want to do is go to any browser you want and type in free online video converter, and I'll have the link in the description so you don't have to find it because there's a lot of them, but it is going to be Converterio is what it is. And you click on that and you'll be brought to this page. Click choose files and then find your video, your MKV file, and mine is in this. I'm just going to do my outro, and see it's right here. It'll pop up like this, outro.mkv. That's how you know it's an MKV file. And what you're going to do is right here, it goes MKV 2 and these 3 dots. You want to lower this bar, go down to video, scroll over, and you want to find MP4. It's most likely the first one. So now you got MKV to MP4. Now you're going to click convert, and this may take a little bit depending on how long the video is, what the file size is, but if it's just like an intro and outro, then it shouldn't take too long. But as you can see, it's converting, and I'll come back whenever it's done. It is finished. It just finished, and it changed it to an MP4 right here. So now what you're going to do is click download, and then you're going to save it to whatever folder you want. I'm just going to save it back to what folder it was in, and yeah, you click save, and then if you go to your files where it was, it is right here now. There is the MP4 file, and here's the other one, and it was MKV. So I converted it. So yeah, that is, and I'm just going to show you that. Okay, so it did work. It did convert it, and yeah. So if this helped you, please leave a like below and make sure to subscribe. I always do tutorials and stuff on just basically anything. So if you like that kind of stuff, make sure to stay tuned. Thank you very much. I'll see y'all later. Peace.